Okay, it looks like we are live, so welcome back. Today I'm going to be continuing to work on Kano's grid. Alright, so, yeah, picking up from where we left off on the last stream, I want to get variables working properly, right? Because we had some scope issues and stuff. So I was thinking about it, and I'm pretty stupid, alright? So we need to treat global variables different than local variables. I don't know why I thought we couldn't, but basically, to do that, I'm going to have to actually update how the virtual machine itself works. That is going to be quite important, because we need a way to get the stack size, right? Which we actually have that. We have SS, but then we don't have a way to use that with the indupe inswap commands, or the instructions, rather. So I need to update the virtual machine, and uh, yeah, so I need to update that. So basically, indupe and inswap and all that stuff. Why is there no... index... Oh yeah, index dupe. There we go. That's what I want. So index dupe. So I want to handle that basically. That is, I need it to pop from the stack instead of using the operand. Right. So we pass an operand here, so I need to change that. Well, actually, we can still pass it. We just need to do index indupe right here. So we need to pop, right? So we need to set. Let's add some bracelets here, and then times the index equals. Well, yeah, equals pop machine. Okay, and I can't actually do that. I need to set that to, what is it? Word or data? One of those. And then, all right, it actually is data. I can look above at the other one. Data, I need to set that. If index.type does not equal int type, then we have an error. Right? Error. Expected int. Okay. And then we have that, so we can actually just pass that here. So we need to do machine stack size instructions value as int -1. So I guess we have to do index -1. Index -1. And then we can do the same thing for index swap. Grab this, grab hold of that, and put it right here. This should be all that we have to change in the actual virtual machine. So it's gonna break stuff. I'm gonna have to change how I handle it in there, but it'll be pretty easy. I basically just have to update the indupe instruction, right? Oh shoot, I was doing machine stack size minus that, and I still want to do that. So let me go here. Right, so I need to put the machine stack size back. Machine stack size minus. Hey, how you doing? What is up? Minus that. Yeah, that's what I want. Minus that, and I forgot to do as int. Next on as int -1, and same thing here. Okay, and that should work. Almost compiles. Data has no member named as int. Oh yeah, it's dot word or whatever. Okay. 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 It can only be a part. Oh yeah, I guess I need to put these here. There we go. And now it compiles. Okay, so let me make a test, right? So test.asm, right? And then indupe, so this is gonna take it from the stack now. So let's indupe 0, and that should put 2 15s on the stack, right? Okay, then TASM, it's TASM, test TASM. No, I messed it up. Oh shoot, because I forgot to update the lexer itself. The lexer for the assembly, right? That needs to, well, actually it's the parser, really. Yeah, we need to change it for when we encounter indupe and inswap. Why not have that? Wait, handle token. Yeah, type indupe right here. So, because then we expect int, but we don't really want that anymore. So if we get rid of indupe, get rid of inswap, that might be all that I have to change actually to get that to TASM. Expected non-type, but found int. Oh yeah. What? Why was I doing this? Not sure why there's 0 there, but okay. Let's try that again. Alright, and then tire, okay. Next out of range. Okay. Why is that? So Indu. Mm. Oh shoot, I need to push 0. That's what I meant to do. Okay. I'm a little. Alright, now let's try that. And 15. Why is there only one though? What? Why did it print out 115? There's many prints here. Alright, it must be consuming the next instruction. Is that what it's doing? If I do this. Yeah, okay, so we're still consuming it for some reason. And that's the one that we had there. So let me go here, and it might be in here. I don't remember how exactly all this works. I haven't worked on it in a while. Let's see, indupe. Yeah, so here we grab that. So I don't want to do that for indupe. Or in swap. Might look a little ugly getting rid of this, but get rid of that, get rid of this. Okay. So let's see. If I go back here. Hasm. Okay, now it looks like it will work. Yeah, so I can print, and it should be 2 15s, and then exiting should be 10. 10. Alright, there, so that works. So now we can grab it via the stack. So I'm gonna commit that. Update and indupe and in the swap to use the stack rather than an author. Okay, so I'll push it, sure. So that's gonna break stuff, right? Now I have to update whoops. Now I have to update Kano script source. And let's see, it's gonna be in the backend. So indupe, anywhere that we do that, we need to basically push the value first. So instead of doing this, we're going to push value. So we'll gen push data file value. And then we don't have to iterate the stack size because we push the value, but then we consume it. So we are good. And the stack size will be correct. I have to actually put the value. Value. Okay, indupe, and then same with in swap. We do basically just the exact same thing. And there we go. But then we need to actually decrement the stack size. Because we're pushing one thing to it, and we're consuming it, so we have to get rid of it. Okay, and that should, well, I mean, it's still not gonna work properly, but it should work the same as it was before. Which actually I think was a cycle, so that might not be quite good. Okay. Issues, what? Too many arguments. Why is that? Oh, yeah, because you can't do that, you just... Not sure why I did this, but okay. Okay, there we go, that's what I wanted it to look like. State undeclared. Okay, we don't have, wait, what? Oh, shoot, yeah, we need to pass the state here now. Program, state. And so anywhere that we do in swap, we need to update it to head state, which I don't think we do it too many times. In swap. Alright, get rid of that comment, that's old. Okay. And then, conflicting types, yeah, I have to update the header file. Which I don't really use it outside of functions, right? So do I even need it in here? No. And that's not right. There we go. Variable with 7 unused. Okay. Oh, yeah. So that is with that. Yeah, so I do want to do that. So I have to change some stuff. I have to change how the program works, sort of. But I will get back to that. So let me try this. Hey, Elevaz, how you doing? What is up? What type of found int, really? Oh, shoot. Stir dot hasm. It's at 44, right? No, 55. Oh shoot, in swap. So somewhere else I did in swap. What is that about? In swap? Morning early stream. Yeah. I have school later today, so I had to stream earlier if I was going to stream today. Change. That is why it's so early. And this is the issue. I forgot to get rid of that. Alright. Now, rebuilding. Yeah, so it's tech calls. That's what I expected. Yeah, so basically I need to update how I'm doing it. So I can keep track of what variables are global variables and which ones are not. So here is the deal, right? This, not that. Genvar, I think I had that somewhere. Alright. Yeah, so I have this. I think I need to change it. So, we want to compile all the global variables, first of all, and then all the local variables will be compiled differently. But if it's a global variable, and we are grabbing the value, we need to push the stack size onto the stack, then push the stack position of the global variable, and subtract that, right? So, right. So, you can sort of think like with a recursive function, the stack size is going to be continuously growing, you know? So if we have something like this or whatever, and then we're calling itself, and we declare a variable here, yeah, this isn't correct syntax or at all, but so we do that, we declare a variable, so we have to push the value of it on the stack. But then when we call it again, we have to push a new value. So if we declared a variable up here, right, we declared it here. So this is the first thing on the stack. That is the stack position. Then we get to this one. The stack position is 2, but then when we call it again, it's 3. So when we try to grab this, we don't know the stack size. So we need to use like an absolute value of it. Not absolute, but we need to use the we need to be able to grab the stack size, basically at runtime, is what I'm trying to say. So, to do that, when we're grabbing the variable, probably, well, we can start in the expression, right? Well, let me get the parsing working first. So, let's see, in here, variable deck, right? So we have that, parse var deck. Let's see, so I changed this, and I still want the global. Okay, we can get that, but I don't know that I want to do that, but, see, so I'm appending it here, right, where do I append it at? Right here, yeah, I append it to the variables, so I'd want to do that for global variables, right? These are the global variables, and then the rest are part of the function. And the stupid idea of dipping an Oreo in Nutella freezes 12 hours. When we went to eat it, it got stuck on the dish. Well, did you manage to get it unstuck and eat it? And if so, was it good? Sounds like an interesting idea, for sure. Yeah, so if it's in function, did with a butcher knife. Okay, was it good though? So I need to, if it's in the function, I want to append it to the regular nodes, right? Otherwise, I want to append it to the variables. So I'll need to rename it to global variables, but I'm not going to do that yet. It's very good, but I'm not going to do it ever again. Okay, that is fair. And then, 2, 3, no. Okay, and then I can get rid of this thing I had here. Why am I asserting this? What? Oh, shoot, because that is an assertion, because that means that this function got messed up somewhere. Okay. We set the function of it, and then we append it to the root. So then that way we'll be able to grab it as we're compiling the whole program, but the global variables will be compiled up front. So that should be fine. Okay. Then what else? So then I did the stuff with that. So that's actually interesting. Yeah, I need to go to the function declaration. Deck. And let's see, so I need to change this, how I handle that. So I don't want to set the expression like this. And I just want it to be how it was before. So get rid of that. Then we have the function arg, so that should be fine. And then, yeah, then we'll just compile this. So that should be all right. So I'm sort of undoing a lot of stuff that I did before, but then I'm also redoing some more. So, so that should be fine. Hopefully that works. Let me see if that compiles. I've used Perl. No, actually, I had never used it. Yeah, I don't know a lot about it either. Heard like memes about it or something. Yeah. So I'm not sure. Like, what is the use case of it? Like, what's it commonly used for, basically? Expert undeclared. Gotta get rid of the expert. Is that right? Right? No. Yeah. So I don't want that. So you're a real Linux user? No, I'm not. String parsing. No, I'm using Windows actually right now. Oh, and reject stuff. Okay. Uh, makes sense. I should learn rejects probably. So it's like a scripting language, right? Let's see. Okay, I need to parse all of those. Yeah. So let's put this back and put that back. That should work out. Yes. Okay. Yeah. Yeah. Right. Oh yeah, I should probably learn it. I don't know. I've not had a need for it just yet, so that is why I have not. So what I need to do here. I need to grab just this case, and so I'm just gonna copy it for now. But I could do some other things later, but I'm not gonna do it yet. Let me just grab this and then add it down here where it was for, because I did delete it. Right up here. Okay, and I can get rid of that break. I don't need to actually select that, and get rid of this, and get rid of that. Okay. Yeah, because we need to be able to declare the variables again. Build that, and I need to parameter structs. Okay. So what I need to do is, this one we're compiling the global variables. So we need to set the variable to global, make sure that that is the case before I append it. So let's say node value dot var dot global equals true. I think we have that. We had that. I think we can do that. Maybe. Yes. Okay, that did succeed. So, let's see. 27. Okay, that is actually the correct number. Okay, okay. In this one, return y. Let me see. So this should return 12. So it should exit with 12. And 12. That is correct. And if I change, let's see, that value won't do anything. Let me make this return x. And that is correct. Okay. And let's declare a global variable here. So L equals 27, right? And then return L there. So that should actually be valid. Yeah, that should be at 27. And variable yeah, okay, because that's in the parsing. Right. So maybe that's not valid. I guess that makes sense to not be valid. Hang on. So I'll be right back. I need to go to the bathroom quickly. Yeah, I'll be right back. Okay, I am back. Let's see. Yes, this isn't gonna work still because of the recursive example I was talking about. Handling things right. Let me make an example of that. I can modify the print int example that I have here, and I want to call that in a recursive function. So foo. We don't need any argument. That's not how you do it. I forgot how to use the language. So once you print int, we'll declare a variable. Well, yeah, we'll declare a variable here. And I want to print a global variable, so I will make a global one, and I can't call it that. So up here, a equals 15. Right, so I want to print that each time, and it's going to become wrong. Or at least it should become wrong. And I'm going to put this in there too. So, and then if I call foo, I forgot to call it itself, so foo. And then actually, let's pass an argument in here. Call it n. And we'll just do n minus 1. And then if n equals 0, then we'll return. It'll actually be a void function, so you don't. Actually, we can't return with no value, so we'll just exit. Yeah, so then it can be void. Exit is 0, right? Foo, and we'll start with 10. So. Alright, so hopefully I did everything right. Print int. Alright, oh, shoot. Okay. I was like, I did not recognize that error message. It is bash. Actually, token equal. Alright, why is that? Is equal broken? Call yourself a Cobb coding fan? I'm loaded on channel points, bro. I highlight every message because I'm just that jacked. Nice. And let me do something. There we go. Nice. You like the copy pasta? Yes. I will. Shoot. I'm gonna actually take that. I'm going to put it in the Discord so that it can be forever remembered. I'm going to pin it to the top of Gen. How do you pin a message? Let me see here. Yes. There we go. Will be forever immortalized. W, yes. I expect everyone to be spamming that constantly. Now I forgot what I was doing. Oh yeah, so I think equal equals both. Why is that? Hey Tim, how you doing? Right, so what is this? Create operator token. It does not work. Does that work? That does work. Yeah, see, it starts printing 27, because we need to use the proper stack size if it's a global variable. So right now, this is accessing out of bounds. So what I need to do is, in the expression, and we're generating the expression. And I'll come back to that, that other thing, because that is a bit of an issue, with equal not working. So I'll need to figure that out. But first of all, I want to get this working, and then I will sidetrack. Yeah, so gen primary, that's where I need to go. So when we grab a variable, oops, parse primary, no, wait. That is in the parsing. Yeah, no, so it's actually just getting fresh. Spam the pasta. Built in. So in here we have, this is not right, just right here, this is where I want to be. If it is a variable, we can get the variable location, and then what we have to do is if it is that, right, so this is actually a bit of a problem. Because this expects us to pass that. So let's actually, I'll make a new function for global, and that will just do that. 4,000 to the Emacs challenge, pog champ. That's at 33%. Why is print error capitalized? Because it's a macro. It is a macro, that is why. And I capitalize pretty much, I tried to capitalize all macros. Yeah, if it was a function, it would not be capitalized. I can show the macro if you are interested in that. but we don't get the variable from there. Isn't accepted to capitalize macros in Rust. Okay. Yeah, it's not like that in C. Usually macros are capitalized. At least, let's see. I'm trying to, I had a thought. If it's like, usually in C, if you're making a constant, what you would do is you would define it as a macro. And then the constant would be all cap, because that's like a way you can know. And then I kind of gets carried over into other macros as well, even though they're not necessarily values, right? That makes any sense. I could get the variable. Get variable, something like that, dot global, then gen global state file, and we need the index as well. Alright, so we'll pass the index there. Otherwise, kind of weird looking, but I can do that. So I don't know if get variable is valid. Let's go to gen in here. I forget what it's called. Then I can make one, right? I do that with inswap as well, when we're changing the rate. But in this case, we'll make it global indo, and we'll still pass the value. And what we'll do is we'll push state file, what is it? The stack size, right? I actually want to just want to gen ss, right? That is what I would call it, because that is the instruction name. It's ss statement file. So that will do that. That's going to iterate the stack size as well. So I have to do stack size minus. Okay, and we need to actually we don't have to do that. We are going to subtract it. Okay. Yeah. So basically, what this will do is we'll push the current stack size onto the stack, and then we will push the value that which is the location of the variable, and we'll subtract them, and then we will undo, and that will grab the variable. So let's make gen ss program state file. That's what I want, and I want to print that file ss, and that is it. So we have to iterate the stack size as well, because it pushes something onto the stack. Okay, let me try to build that. Get variable. So get variable expects the name. Shoot. Okay. We don't have the. We do have the name. Yeah. Where is that at? 337. So instead of index, we want the value dot variable, which is the name. Okay. Then it actually grabs the correct value. Alright, all the way through. So even though it is recursive. Okay, so the other thing is if we're changing the value. So this is not the right thing. It is. If we change the value, it is not going to change it properly. Right. So if we do I don't want to do that. After we do that, we could set. Is that gonna work? Equals 13. It did actually change it. Okay, but if I actually we can check. So if n macros are functions but better. Not exactly. There's some stuff that you can't do with macros, right? Where I don't say it's better. Basically inline functions. Yeah, I guess Rust macros. That's a different story. That's now equal to 5. Bam. What if I try to change it here? A equals 13, right? Yeah, then it doesn't actually change it. Okay, it gets turned into inline during compilation, yeah. Log VSI, that's where we're at. So we want to check if it is global. So if I guess we have the variable here though. So we can use that. So if node value var, wait, do we have that? We should. Global, then gen global means what? State file index. otherwise. So it basically looks the same as that. Gen in swap will go there. Yeah, let's basically make this, but within swap instead. Actually, I wanted to go after, so. Whoops. Mess that up. There we go. Rust X is always more spicy than CX, yeah. Yep, that's a good summary actually. Now I messed this up. I wanted this one. What the heck? I copied it. There we go. Okay, let's see. So we chain that, and then this needs to just be in swap, and that needs the only difference. Alright. And why did that break a lot of things? It's supposed to be global. Global. The same but funnier. I like that description. And it didn't work. A equals 13. Why did that not work? Do we not have that right? Let me do the get thing, right? So get variable. Dot close. Var dot name. Yeah, there we go. So then, oh, but it got stuck. Oh shoot! Wait, what? Also a C guy, pretty much. But first language was Java. Nice. Java. Gotta love Java, right? Everyone's favorite language. So this is a problem. This is a problem. What the heck happened? So it must have changed n as well. Greater than 10. There. With 1. Try it. Yeah, okay, so it changed both of them. Why is that? Right, let me see. So, yeah, and actually with 1, right? I didn't actually check that. Yeah, okay. That's interesting. So why would it change that one as well? At least no JavaScripters, yeah. That's a good thing. Definitely don't want any of those kinds of people around. Okay, so why is it changing both of them? This actually doesn't until the next iteration. Let me just try something. Is it off? No, that's not the issue. You know what? But it changed it anyway. 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, something weird. Yeah. Literally a language for kids. Scratch is a better language than JavaScript. I think that's fair to say. You know, I think it uses JavaScript basically anyway, but regardless. Down right now, but we'll be up in the future. AI will probably mostly get the jobs of things. That's probably true, you know? At least like the like the stuff where it's like you know, changing the color of a button, that kind of thing, you know? Just like Python. Well, I think Python has like certain use cases that make it actually valuable. Whereas with JavaScript, if it wasn't for being the only front-end language, then you know, actually take over all of our jobs. That's it. Yeah, I don't worry about it And if it gets to the point where it can replace all programming jobs, then it's gonna be able to replace all of every other kind of job, you know. So then there's bigger problems in that case, you know. To worry specifically about you, you know. It's not like, oh, you're gonna learn a different skill now that you'll be able to do then, because you won't, you know. Okay. Should just be updating the global variable. Look at the assembly perhaps. So here's where we do that. Stack size push 1 sub. Yeah, because it is in the first location. Well, that's when we're grabbing it. Where are we? That's where we're swapping with it. So what's the issue here? Push 13. Wait, what the heck? What is the... Oh, yeah, wait. In swap. Yeah, so it pushes the value 13 there. But why does it... Define a so-called constant hash map and edit it and modify it. It's insane. Yeah, we'll see some stuff like that. Like, you know, if you are not, like, with you, when you have pointers and stuff, I can get kind of confusing setting it to constant. Yeah, but that's kind of weird. JS. I don't know what specifically you're referencing, but I can get an idea. Like, I don't know how much you can change it and stuff. Because I've not seen that specific example before. Stack size, push 1. Yeah, so what is that about? Stack size. You know what? We need to push 0 though. Well, no, we don't. Okay, I'm trying to think. Right, we have this. This is the first location on the stack. So stack size is 1 in this case, and we would subtract 1, and that'd be correct. So we grab the top. But if it's we would say 3 because that's easier. 3, and then we push 1 and we subtract that. So we have 3 minus 1, 2. So 0, 1, and 2. So that'd be correct. So it should be grabbing that one. So I don't understand why it modifies the other one. I am very confused. His favorite type of developers is those who make Next.js websites and think they'll be rich. What does Next.js do exactly? I never really learned it, so I don't know. It has something to do with React, right? And backend. More or less a beginner, or when you're doing it for yourself, but you can't live off that. Website framework. Yeah, I get that, but like what? Like what is it? What's the reason to use it? Basically, is what I mean. Alright, so that's the value that we're changing it with. Let me print in, and let's also print n here. Okay, what the heck? Oh shit, I forgot a new line. That's what the issue is. I need a new line both times. Okay, that looks better. So we print 15, and then this is n. So 10, 9, 8, 7, 6. Then becomes 27. Ooh, it gets redefined. And created as the web you see instead of JavaScript. For real. Something called server-side rendering is what Next.js has. No idea what it is. Huh. Well, I mean, that's just returning the HTML or whatever from the server, right? You can do that without Next.js. So it is redoing this, and it's setting it to that. What? That's weird. Wait. Oh, shoot, because that's not defined. Oh, shoot, I know what the issue is. I know exactly what happened. It's because I can find that there. No, maybe it's not. Wait, what? That's not good. It is not good at all. Tried it for my Froyo, but I don't know how you can move my program with it. HTML plus JS should have been Rest plus C. Huh. Not sure Rest existed then, but okay. Yeah, HTML has some problems as well. But I don't know. Like, I think that could have been fun. Like, gonna use HTML, but just JavaScript, you know? Like, it is what it is, though. If you don't like it, just make your own browser. Okay. So if I get rid of this, right, and instead I just change K. Yeah, then it goes all the way down to 0. And I can do that. Okay. That stays 15. So we can modify K. C plus C. Rust obviously didn't exist back then, so it should have been C. Couldn't know the basics of web, and that's it. Yeah. Like, I think learning the, you know, the protocols and how things actually work, rather than, like, writing HTML and JavaScript and stuff, then I think that is useful. Like, how things are, sent. You know, hypertext transfer protocol, things like that. Okay, what is this? What is this? So if I change the global variable, it changes the value of n. Why does it do that? N, not n. Wait, what if I set n? Like that. Does it change n? It does change n. So that's good. Well, so we can't get negative numbers. That's interesting if we subtract from that. Because it is a signed integer. We don't have negative literals. Okay, so I can do that. But if I change a, change n to 27, change it to the value that we declared here, why does that happen? What the heck? Are we leaving something on the stack that is not cleaned up, right? Is that what it is? Is that what it could be? Perhaps. 0. Let's see. So in swap, so this, let's see, we push this x size, we push 1. So in swap, that consumes the 0. So I don't get what that is about. What if I pop here? What if I just do that? Here. Yeah, okay, that obviously didn't fix it. The heck? I didn't expect it to, but it's what is the deal? Stack size, push 1, sub, and dupe. So it has to do with the grabbing the variable. Why doesn't it work? I might need to use GDB. That might be helpful, but let's see. Right, but this grabs the right value. What if, what if? I'm trying to think. I try to assign it out of here. Does it? That does work. What else? It's just when I'm assigning it in this function. And 0. What is this? What? So it, n is less than that, a equals 0. Why did it exit? What? Yeah, so it still, it has the same issue. Why? So what's the deal? Grabbing the global variable. It's something to do with swap. Let's see. No, because the indupe works, right? We can grab the value of it. We can't change it. It's getting set to the, I don't know, it's just very weird. It's a very weird problem. If So that's equal to 5, then n equals 30. Change this to 15, or maybe 5. Oh shoot, wait, then it actually worked. Wait, what? 15, and then it becomes 30. Oh. Oh shoot, yeah, because, wait, what? Hang on. Oh shoot. Right, it works there. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 5, 4. Wait, why did it 5 again? Oh, okay, it did. Yeah, yeah. Because it doesn't go out of bounds now. That's why it happened. So just, what is this? Rickroll? Huh? 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 Damn, I need to turn the sound off for that.
Huh? Huh? Huh?
Very cool. Huh? Oh, yeah, I see, I see. Huh? I don't know, I'm very confused. Why it is changing the variable. Yes, it makes it so that I'm grabbing the wrong one, and that is strange. And I don't know, it's kind of a lot to walk through. Perhaps I could try to replicate it in a simpler example. So let me run sh and just Pano. Let's see. So this should work, right? Variable, yeah. So we can't reference variables for that. That's fine. That is reasonable. So let's return there, run that, and go back 12. Okay, that works. So we call this and I want to call it recursively. Let's do int. Let's do sort of the same thing that we're doing there. But then n is less than or equal to 0, n exit 0. I'll get rid of this foo here. 5. Right, so let me try that. Exit with 0. Okay. Let's exit with 25 actually. Yeah. Okay. So this one is never reached, and that is fine. I guess I don't really have a way to output things though, so that makes it kind of hard. But I could write int iter with a new line. Yeah, iter. So that's how many times it goes. 5 times, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, so that is right. And then if I try to reassign this, actually it has to do with defining the variables in the, oh shoot, wait, what the heck? Y equals that, and that, stack overflow. What? Okay, so that's already an issue. Okay, that's interesting. And the assembly is not quite as long. It's only 48, and a lot of it is comments, like half of it. So, let's see. I can try to walk through it. So we push 12, right, and then such issue. Yes, for real. Jump label 0. So where is label 0 at? That's the end of the function. So then we push 5 and call name. So we have 5, and then that's when we're here. So we have 5. Then we push 0 and induce. That just duplicates the 5. And then we compare if it's less than or equal to, and it is not. So we have 0, and then with 0 jump to label 1. And we write iter. Okay. So write that, and then there's nothing left on the stack. Then we push 15. So this is when we are updating the value. Push this stack size. So the current stack size at this point is 1, 2, 3. So we have 3. We push 1. Oh shoot, actually, is that what the issue is? Oh shoot, we push 1. 2. But then when we try to in swap, okay, yeah. That's what it is. Because we have 2 here. We consume this, but we take the stack size before we consume that. So yeah, we do 0, 1, 2, and then we grab the 5, and we're updating this one. Okay, so it's actually an issue in the virtual machine. So to fix that, want to, well, actually, no, we don't. Hang on. We don't do that. Yeah, because we pop it off first. So that's not the issue. Updates on Kano. Yeah, I have not done anything with that. I do have the request or the issue for it in here. Kano, right? So, yeah, I mean, if you want, you could come in here and you should be able to comment. You can put some ideas in here. Yeah, if you want to start working on something, then that'd be cool. Then, let's see. You could make like a separate branch and a pull request here, and then we could work on it, you know, back and forth. All right, all right. Sounds good. Sounds good. 0, 1, 2. So that should be the right value. Let me do the input and see what it is. Just see what it grabs there. And 15. Where's the 15? Oh shoot, it's grabbing. Wait, it's coming back. Oh shoot, wait. Swap might be broken. Let's go into here. Let's see. We pop off the popular machine. Then index swap. In here, we set that. And we swap that. What is this? Push that. We don't need that. Yeah, we swap them. So we set that, and we set the top of the stack to that. So we have the index there. Hang on, hang on. Yes, we. Oh, okay. Wait. That should be fine. Alright, let me test something. So let's go into here. Most popular project is still more popular than yours. Alright, let's take a look at that ePortal. Alright. Well, I'll make it more popular. Let's see. I don't play the AI with your intelligence. Okay. Can be considered because it demonstrates how evolution works in a game because you can compete with the AI guessing which species will survive the. Yeah, I saw. I want to look at it though. Attends battles along with it. Bodies do their best to populate as much room as possible. Alright, that's pretty cool. Python though. Why not Rust? Very cool. Good job, good job. Because you hadn't learned Rust. Oh, I guess that's fair. Fair enough. Why swap? That should. Oh, it could be with the stack size too. Okay, but let me try that. So that should swap. To make that 5. So what I want to do is make that 5 and then make the top that. So if I print it out, I'll get it that. That's not padding. That's it. 15 and 5. Is that right? Yeah. Well, no, because then 15 was on the top. Wait, what? 15, 3, and 5. So wait, it didn't change anything. Oh yeah, because that's the top of the set. I'm stupid. Okay, I need to, how do that? I have to do -1. Yeah, okay, then that's locked them. So then, yeah, that grabs the first element. So that works. Or it swaps them. 15, 3, and 5. So 15 ended up on the bottom. So when 5, 3, 15. Yeah, so that's right. So, okay. So that grabs the first element. So I don't get what the issue is then. Is there an extra gun? No. Okay. Yeah, so that's all working. That is working. So it's just a skill issue, perhaps. Okay, why does it change this value? I don't get it. I don't get it. So it's changing the value of this. 15 to 0. Yeah, then it just ends it. So it changes n. Why is it changing? Variable reassign. Do we have more reassign? That's the only one. Okay. So this is changing n as well. Why does it do that? Push 0, that's the value. We push the stack size, current stack size, and we push 1, and we subtract. So that's the same thing we're doing to get the first variable declared, which is this. And we in swap that. So it should become 0. Let's do. Let's then exit with y. Let's make it 15 or something. Does it change y? Oh, it does. Wait, why does that end instantly now? What the heck is going on? Most popular project is not popular at all. Well, that's alright. 2 stars, that's not too bad. My most popular had, I think it was 2 stars until I started streaming. And the 2 were me and my friend, so. What the heck? Oh, because we exit, that's why it exits, okay. It's stuck forever. Nice. Okay, you know what? Why does it change that one? I don't understand. There's nowhere else where I swap, right? That's it. So that's the only place. But it goes on the second iteration, right? Huh? No. Actually, let me try that. If I exit, after I do that, I exit with n. Let's exit with 15. It does. Okay, so it changes it right here. Changes both. How does it change both? I don't get how that works. What? What? Okay, let me see. 12. And then we pushed 5, right? And we call this, we push 0. In loop, so that grabs the 5. Push 0 compare, that's 0, so we can skip over it, right? 0 jump to label 0, which is, right, no, hang on. Wait. 0 jump to label 1, that's what it is. Label 1 is here, so we push the string and write it so that it leaves us with nothing here. And then reassign, so we push 15, and we take the stack size, 1, 2, 3, that's the stack size. And we push 1, and we subtract, so it's 2. Then we pop this on, and then we swap. So we swap with 2. So 0, 1, 2. So that should be 12. And it should do 12 and then 15. But leave this alone. But it doesn't do that. Wait, I want to pop after that. Oh, shoot. Wait, what? 12. Hang on. Push 2. In dupe. 2, so we consume that. 0, 1, 2, 15. Okay, yeah, so we grab that. So this is wrong. Because we're changing this one. Why does it do that? It doesn't have the right location. Do I mess up the stack size somewhere? Oh shoot, hang on. Okay, let me change something. So let me modify this. Get rid of the reassignment. Alright, and then look at ESN. Yeah, okay, wait, hang on. That's here. Push 0 into. Oh shoot, wait, what? Yeah, okay, so that's not right either. No, that's duping the top of the stack. Did I mess something up with the stack here? Check. Global mean swap. Is the stack size incorrect? So that could be it, actually. So we generate the stack size. So we push that. So that iterates it. Then this one iterates it again. And we sub. So we need to do escape stack size. Is this what the issue is, really? No. Wait, what? Oh, I didn't rebuild it, so. Okay. Okay. Let me go back to the Sterling example. You have a deloaded Windows. No. Did is funny. Windows is basically every 15 milliseconds check your PC needs core parking. Microsoft has competent enough developers. What the heck? What? And that's not what I want. It was printing. Okay. So let's change it to set this to 15. Okay, there we go. Now it works. That was just the issue. I did not decrement the stack size. Okay. 10 times fewer interrupts. Bruh. Microsoft moment. For real. Okay, wait, so that works. We have 15. Wait, we set 15 again. Let me set it to 300, right? Okay, so it's 15, 15, 15, and then 200, and it does not set that at all. Let's make it K as well. Let's take a look at that. Okay, and that stays the same. So all the variables stay the same throughout the entire iteration. Okay. But who uses Windows for real? That's what I'm saying. Okay. There we go. So that's good. I will commit this now. Let's see. So update. Update the script to use the stack for to do in swap and have it handle the bars properly. Okay. And yeah, that was kind of a big one, but I couldn't really push it. So, well, I could have committed this. Use it for gaming. Linux gaming sucks. I just don't game, and then, you know, you don't even have to do that. I can't, like, I hate Windows. I can't use it, even for, like, it's just so annoying. Easiest solution, yes. Like, maybe occasionally I'll play Minecraft or whatever, but that works everywhere. Write once, run everywhere. Okay, so that works now. Whoops, did not mean to do that. What the heck? My hands were misplaced. Let's see. Okay, so now it actually works. Because this has been a problem since the beginning of the language, right? I was handling the variables improperly. Windows is Linux right now on my PC, but I have a laptop with Arch and I use it for programming. Nice. So you say I use Arch, by the way, all the time, right? Okay, good. That did not break anything. Okay. So yeah, that works. Works out. Would it be a good idea to be able to use this in here, you know? Like before you declare it. I don't know. Like I want that. Yeah, I don't think that's right, but at least not right now. Like I can add a second pass later so that you can do all that stuff, but not now. Does this work? I don't think this will work, right? This will say not. Okay, so I guess you can do that. Okay, interesting. My Wi-Fi now does not support Linux drivers. Really? Mm. That's quite unfortunate, actually. Okay, wait, let me fix that issue with equal equal. So it was, I did that. Unexpected token. Yeah, so that is a big old problem. Unexpected token. Yeah, but we print it out as well, so. Should be right here. Is that? No, it must not be there. Yeah, so it's this one that is triggering, I would assume. I can make sure. One expected token, and I can try to trigger it again. Like, yeah. Okay, so, whoops. Okay, parts. All the way down here. Wait, what? No, so wait, where was it? Okay, one expected. Wait, what? Now I don't have it anymore. Oh, shoot. One expect. I cannot type. When we use that Realtek driver, that's pretty common. It doesn't work, really. Huh. I haven't had any issues with Realtek. I just, yeah. I don't remember which driver exactly, but it did work. 6 minutes fail. And this is in what? This is in the expression, yeah? No, it's just in parts. Okay. So it is there. Why? So when we is operator, right? Is operator. We go create operator token. Only create it with the regular equal. Huh. Okay, hang on. Yeah, we can only have it up equal, actually. That's the thing. We just do it twice. Create operator token. I don't know what's going on here. View. We passed the view there. Tobbs contributed 1840 to the Emacs challenge. Pog chant. Doesn't error. Really? What error is it? Yeah. Yeah, this is the same one that I used. I think it's the same one. Okay. Let's see. So maybe I could use GDB. That would probably help me with this. I could make a simpler example though. Alright, let's see. So let's just do if y equals 12, then exit y. Otherwise, we'll exit with 0. Alright, and let's modify this. Let's see. What? Okay, yeah, that's what it needs. Run that, and unexpected token. Alright, so we get the same thing. So we can use GB for this. Enable run, Kano. Yes. And I forgot to break. So let's break on Lex. Yes, and run. Okay. What? Oh shoot, I put the thing. Yeah. There we go, now run. And let's go through this. So once we get to the equal, or the is I guess I could have broke on that, but is operator. Alright, so this is just the assignment. Arn4VV, follow, thank you. Apologize if I messed up your name. Could try this EUR package. Okay, equal. Wait, hold on. Oh, shoot. Oh, shoot, I am stupid. Okay. Yeah. Need to get rid of that. And let's see, so it is right here. Yeah. Yeah, I can just, get rid of it entirely. Right, we cannot. Not exactly. So I need to check after though. So what I need to do is if is operator. Where do we have that? Yeah, so I'm just gonna do this. Nice if u.data equals equal. Then create one of those. Actually I can do that. Not create an operator token though, but create set token type equals to equal. And do that. Okay. Okay, echo that, and that seems to have worked. Alright. Hello, how you doing? How you doing? What is up? Set it to 13, and you should exit at 0. Okay, there we go. So now that works. And I had that same issue. It was in stir compare, right? Let me try to run stir compare. And, okay. Stir compare, whoops. Stir compare.cam. Alright, so I do have to go in a few minutes. Yeah, but I got the variables working. That's what I'm trying. And there we go. So 1, so that is valid. Okay, so I'll connect that. It's issue where equal was not parsed correct. Okay, there we go. Is this a companion language for your text editor, like VimScript is to Vim? Yeah, so that's sort of the idea. Yeah, I'm trying to make a language which can be used for other stuff. Right, just as a general scripting language, but then I'm going to integrate it into the text editor for configuration and such. Yeah, and I'd like to try to make it so that it is it can be used in other projects as well. If I need a language to configure it, then I could integrate this one, you know? So I'm going to try to make it general enough that I can do that. But yeah, it's being designed for the text editor specifically. So make sure everything... Alright, so let me fix that warning. We don't use that. 448. Alright, so we don't need that because it's in the program, so we don't even need it in the program state. So then I need to do that. Oh yeah, now I need to change everywhere that I do that. So gen program. I call it in here. Okay, so that's it there. And then the header file, I have to change that. Okay, and then, whoops, and then also the main.c, where I call it. I guess I don't call it. Okay, there we go, so that compiles, and everything still works, and we're good. So let's connect that, and then I do actually have to go. Fix, gen, or unused program from gen program. Okay, fix that, and we are good to go. Alright, so yeah, I'm going to do some more testing, make sure the variables do all work properly, and I'll probably try to write something that actually, you know, write something in the language. Something useful. That might be the next stream, is programming in the language. Hello there. Bad timing. I'm about to end the stream. But how you doing? How you doing, Sigma? Sigmanificent? Is it called Sigma or Sigmanificent? Like a full thing or just the part of it? Okay. Yeah, so I do have to go now. That worked. Alright. Yep, RIP for the stream. Sorry about that. Yeah, but I have school soon, so I have to get ready for that. So, yes, thank you for watching, and, alright, Sigma is fine. Alright, see you next time. Bye.